Calling all Forza Motorsport competitors and racing enthusiasts alike, prepare to embark on our next series in the world of virtual motorsports. Welcome to eMotorsport Championship. Introducing Totally Radicals, a Radical XRC Turbo Spec Series. Rev up these engines and experience the power and precision of the Radical RXC Turbo, an engineering marvel that pushes the boundaries of performance. This piece of a machine boasts an impressive power-to-weight ratio thanks to its lightweight carbon fiber chassis and turbocharged 3.5-liter engine. In the blink of an eye, the Radical RXC Turbo catapults from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, delivering mind-boggling acceleration. Hold on tight as the Radical rockets down the straights, reaching an impressive top speed. In this new Wednesday night series, you'll tear through legendary tracks like Mugello, Watkins Glen, Road Atlanta, and many, many others. Every curve, every straightaway is a chance to prove your skills and claim victory. Don't embark on this journey alone. Join our vibrant community of racers, a tribe of like-minded individuals fueling each other's ambition. Together, we'll celebrate victories, conquer challenges, and create memories where the playing field is level and we ensure a fair and competitive environment for all skill levels. So, racers, ignite your passion. Tighten your grip on the steering wheel and prepare for the thrill. Join us for the Totally Radical series and be a part of the racing. Get ready to push the boundaries of speed, break records, and become a legend in eMotorsport Championship. Who will become our next Wednesday night champion? Is it you? Are you ready to leave your competitors in the dust and make your mark in history with us? This is your golden ticket to glory.